What's up, YouTube? This is Jordan Coakley, the owner of Conquer Vintage on Depop, and I just wanted to show y'all hands-on a few tips that I do on a daily to gain success and new sales and new followers with Depop. So first of all, you can kind of look at my notifications and see that they're kind of crazy all day. I get different likers and different followers all throughout the day. I want to start with showing you my feed. So I've gone through many different stages with different backdrops and going to different places around the city. I usually carry a hanger around with me and I do test shoots everywhere I go. If I see like a clean backdrop or a wall or something I can hang an item on just to get like a good idea of pictures, because really with Depop, images are the thing that really sells the item. If you have a good image, then people are more than likely to actually click on your profile or view the item and look into purchasing the item. For example, we can go here. You want to make sure that you describe the item as well as you can. Use measurements, and I say use measurements so you don't have those people that actually message you for measurements, and if you're asleep or busy, all the information is there about the item so people can actually just commit to buy instead of having to inbox you and asking different types of questions about the item before they actually buy it. Uh, you always want to put the most detailed picture first. I'm in a zone where I like to show the whole item now. I used to do crops. I usually show the front of the item, the main detail of the item, the tag if any, and then the back of the item. I started taking my pictures outside by a local tire shop actually. It's almost like they set up the whole photo op for me. It was a place for me to hang my hanger and everything. So let's get into the main networking point. So as you can see, I have 47K followers and I follow 270K people. I don't use bots or anything. I heard there was bots out there, but me personally, every time I've seen a link or a YouTube video about it, it seemed like a big scam. So unless you're a personal coder or something like that of some sort, then that's pretty much the only way I can imagine that you can make a follower bot with Depop. So as you look through my reviews, I get pretty good feedback from everybody. Most of my reviews are 5 stars. Every now and then you'll get those people that'll give you 4 stars or so for whatever reason. Um, I have my Instagram info in my bio. I have a welcoming note for everybody that could possibly be a new shopper. Worldwide shipping, I ship everywhere in the world. I try to maximize my customers and pretty much get anybody from anywhere. I'll ship anywhere. Um, so, what I usually do, I can go to the Explore page. I can click on the first item, like the item, because this next step I'm about to show you. Since you like the item, if you do this step right here, other people may be doing it too. What I do is I go and I follow everybody that I don't follow. So when you follow different people, you have more chances that they will follow you back. And you might not make a sale right off the bat, but there's a possibility that person might see something that you post later on and they might come back to it. And like I said, I go through every item I see on the Explore page, like it, then go through the likers. And I say like the item because somebody might be doing the same thing right here. So if somebody's networking the same way, then they're going to end up following you, and then your followers are going to eventually rise from different people following you. And even though those people might be sellers, we all like to sell and buy on the app if we use it. I like to support other people. I buy every now and then. Um, and liking photos is a big thing just to show that your activity is actually moving. So I like to network all around the world, like I said. So I ask Siri different times of the day. For example, I ask Siri, what time is it in the UK? and I'll try to find the prime time hours that people shop in the UK. And you can usually tell by when you see different sellers in the UK posting different things, or anywhere that you're networking. You can see those sellers and their location and when they post. So I'll go to Team Depop UK, Depop page, and I'll go through and follow everybody. Mainly this page because this is the page that a lot of people follow. A lot of new users automatically follow this page. So I like to use this page as a big bulk following tool. And you can also go to like different users and different posts, like I showed you before, popular users. Uh, you can go through reviews and actually follow the people that actually buy items. Um, for the most part, that's pretty much how I gain my success. As you can see, my notifications are moving from the couple things that I did just there. I like to post every day, but I know to be a staff pick, they like you to post stagnantly so you can kind of show that you have longevity, that you have consistency in using the app. Right now, I'm a staff pick for the men's clothing along with some other people. And what that means is you can go to the explore page, choose your liking and topics of clothing, and you go through and kind of find who catches your eye. Um, for the most part, things to remember: detailed captions, measurements, follow people. Be sure to leave tracking numbers for all your customers. I don't want to click on one because it will show somebody's address. And like, subscribe, follow me on Depop, follow me on Instagram. I'll put links in my detailed bio.